Testifying before the Local Government Commission, the witness Modu Sise, the Auditor General at the National Audit Office, and Bakari Tarawale, Director of Audit for Municipalities and Area Councils, explained the audit findings on all financial statements and final management letters of council since 2018. Detailing the audit findings on the financial statement of Basse Area Council for the year ended 31st December 2019, Tarawale told the Commission that auditors noticed the Council's violations of budgeting process as stakeholders such as VDC, Double DC, and other development committees were not consulted. The witnesses also noted the absence of governance structure within the Council, including some vital committees such as development, financial, and contract committees which were not in place.
Our recommendation was these committees are not in place, and then according to they should be in place, and then the implication, if they are, it will affect the operational efficiency of the council. And then again, the budget, this is also from the Act. The budget preparation, the procedures it should take, and then we realize that it doesn't follow those procedures. Our recommendation is to make sure that they follow those procedures to make sure that the budgeting process is effective and then meet the objective. These reports, this is what we can report, and then all the critical stakeholders are copied for them to make sure that they implement that recommendation. You have a body responsible for that. So for us now, the report is at the draft stage. We will go back to see whether that recommendation now, whether they've constituted for all these committees, and whether the budget process is robust, and then follow the required procedures, and then report again accordingly.
They also revealed that the National Audit Office expressed a disclaimer of opinion on the 2020-2021 report of the KMC because the financial statement presented to auditors were not backed by strong evidence. Tarawale further explained what this means in auditing terms.
For KMC, the latest audit report, 2020-2021, is disclaimer of opinion, meaning the auditors cannot express an opinion on the financial statement. And the reason for that is what you call the basis of opinion. One is on confirmed changes of the comparative figures. We could not verify the correctness of these changes because we were informed that the financial software system was locked and adjustment could not be made. These figures will affect the 2020 opening accumulated fund and subsequent financial statement. Meaning, if you are preparing your 2020, you need the 2019 actuals as comparative figures. But if your 2019 audit report, auditor said it is not true and fair, because there are certain balances that are misstated or they are not supported. And then you said, okay, now you did that rectification, but there is no evidence. The system is locked. The auditors cannot access to see whether that correction has been done or not. Then we are limited. There was no audit trail for the matrix property tax system in respect of rates. We were unable to have access to the system to confirm and validate the accuracy of the rate figure of 81,070,000 reported on the revenue and expenditure statement. Our IT unit attempted to obtain data from both front and back end to provide to the finance and team, but no access was successful. And we further noted suspected fraud of 297,941 in respect of delete rate transactions, as per council memo dated 28 December 2020 with reference number this. A task force was set up by the council to investigate the matter, but no investigation report was provided. If you have a system whereby auditors detected that a transaction has been deleted, and we are not able to recover the amount involved in that deleted transaction, so the auditors are saying, based on some of these things, we cannot express an opinion. That is true.
The Commission is constituted to inquire into the operations of local government councils between May 2018 and January 2023 to ascertain if applicable policies and procedures were followed in all operations. Sittings continue on Monday. Reporting for GRTS News, I am Omar P. Jallo.